once again.
Hello again, here's Jimmy at O'Reilly's here, and we're here today, roadside, to do DPF clean on this Skoda behind me here, this yellow one. So we'll crack on and get onto it. We're just going to remove the engine cover here, and just down the back here you've got the DPF is further down here. We can open this access point to put some flushing fluid in there. And today we're using this Winds fluid, removes soot and ash deposits from DPFs. So we've already just filled up our little dispenser here. Just going to put the lid on this. And once we open the oxygen sensor, we can put this inside, which will spray the DPF fluid in there. We just need to pump up some pressure from here. And we'll use one of these crow's foot sockets, should be the 22. Got that on our extension here. And we're basically going to slip it over the top and connect it to the sensor here. Once that's on, we can just untighten it, and then we can take that off and do it by hand. Give it a few turns, it should come out. There we are. Nice sooty sensor there. We can't really see down in there, but we're going to put some cleaning fluid through it. Get a little bit of a view there inside. Not very good. You can sort of see how it is. It's just a little honeycomb mesh, and it gets blocked up with DPF soot. We'll get our little nozzle here, stick it inside. Now we can give some pumps, pump it up. Once we've given that some pumps, it should be pushing some fluid in there now. Just like that. And we'll just give that a little turn around. Just make sure it goes to all sides. That's all filled up. We're gonna put the oxygen sensor back on. 22mm crow's-foot spanner back on there, and we'll give it a little nip up. That should do it. Then we'll get the engine cover back on, let it sit for 20 minutes so that can soak in there. Now the engine cover's back on, we can close the bonnet. Now we can put our tools back. Just under here we'll plug our OBD connector in. We'll put our keys in. Just load up our diagnostic machine. We're going to run an auto scan on the engine and the faults. So we're just going to let that run for a minute. It's going to take some time. But he's telling me he's got the engine management light on and it's in limp mode. And he's had it checked, it's the DPF. So let's see what happens when we start the car up. We've got the exhaust filter light there on. It's in limp mode, but we'll get that out soon. And we've got about 1.3 psi of pressure from the DPF. Just slow revs, it's in limp mode. So now we're going to take it for a drive, push this fluid out and see if we can get the pressure to drop. We'll go outside and see if it's pushing out any soot. Some of this stuff left here. See the black soot. It's coming out. Just gonna pull away and see. So it's quite slow, and it just maxes out at at those revs. It's not got a lot of power, that's full acceleration. Again, it's maxed out. And if you look at the exhaust, it's pushing a lot of smoke out, which is normal. So what we've done here is we've activated Regeneration. What that does is it just gives us all of these information here live as we're driving. So you can see there it's got 24 grams in the DPF, and we'll see how low we can get that. Okay, we're currently on about a 0.7 psi now. Light has disappeared, and let's see how the revs are going. See a big improvement there. Okay, so the regeneration was finished and successful. We're just trying to go back in so we can show you the soot readings, but unfortunately it's saying the fuel content is too low, so we can't go back in at the minute. Typical. So there's our fuel level, and yeah, it's too low, so we're just going to abort that, and we should be done anyway. And that is done through the guided function section here on this autel. You can see the improvement there in the acceleration. That's it, we're all finished on that one. We can make our way back to our next repair.
Turn left.